Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Imvu. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, tap on the settings icon at the top right of your screen. Go ahead and select Change Password. First, type in your current password. Now go ahead and type in your new password. Type in your new password once again to confirm it. Now tap on Change Password. And that's it. Now you have successfully changed your password on Imvu. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.